Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to hide chats in WhatsApp. If you want to hide your private WhatsApp chats, then first of all, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application on your phone. And once you're inside the home page or the chats page of WhatsApp, go ahead and select open the chat you want to hide. Go to the top of the screen from the chat thread and then tap on the profile picture of the person. You will then end up in this page where you need to go ahead and toggle on the button right next to lock chat. Now, you can use your Face ID or biometrics to open this chat and read notification on this device. For added privacy, locked chats will be kept separate from other chats. You will then need to go ahead and scan your Face ID or biometrics so that the chat will be moved to a locked chat folder in your chat list. You will see locked chats option at the top of the screen within your chat page. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will use your biometrics or Face ID in order to get access to the chat again. So that is how you can easily hide a chat on WhatsApp. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.